It's a bit fresh. So as I walk and get a little bit warmer, I'll ditch it. Okay? It's another Sunday, another walk up in Shropshire Hills. So as we prod along, I just want to show you this oak tree. It might be interesting. Look at it there now. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's another one that formed maybe about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6 or 7 trees formed in one. And this is nature. That's how nature program. At Pradhan, we're going up that hill. It's beautiful in here, guys. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. As I was saying, this hill, the fear of this hill, I'm trembling right now because I'm scared of height. And it's dry. Today is a dry day. We didn't get any rain. But it also has a lot of gravel on it. And right now, I'm peeing myself. This is my walking stick. I took it all the way from Jamaica to here. So, I am going up slowly because the fear of the height and the gravel on the hill here is crippling me right now. So, when I get to the top, I'll get back to you. Here I am at the semi-top. So we have one more level to go. So as I stood here, we're on a level playing field right here. But as I stood here and looking at the trees, last week I bought like a canvas photo from a guy in the market. He's naturistic. So it has all these trees on it dancing, but the trees are in form of ladies and dancing with the roots and stuff. So these trees just remind me of the photo I bought. So I got this photo and I just love it. My daughter thinks it's scary, but it's just perfect. And it reminds me when I'm in the woods walking. So I'm going to show you right now how beautiful and awesome nature is. But just look on this beauty here. Guys, just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it here. It's beautiful, and the birds are singing as well. So that enhances the beauty. Stay tuned and I'll get back to you. Almost at the very, very top. But I just want to show you this here where we're passing by. Trees and all. So take a look with me. Look at that one. so massive. There's some broken ones there, and I wanted to see this one here. Over here, so you might not be seeing it very clearly because the sun is really pounding here, and I'm about to take my jacket off, but we're not at the very top yet, so we're still prodding.
The other way around, so like looking out over
It's the other way around. Yeah guys, so we are finally at the top, and as you can see, there's another, I think they call it burrow here. There's another burrow over there, and as you can see the cloud, the sky and everything. So we are finally at the top. It was hard, but we persevered, and now, as you can see, we are finally on a level playing field on the top. I am going to show you, and then we have like a gulf down there, a gully. As Jamaican people would say, you have a gully down there. So that's where we are. It's nice and cool and fresh. We love it so much. It's, as you can tell, I'm just gonna show you all around. Yeah, beautiful it is. So at some point we are going to walk down, and that would be our walking for today. Just want to say thank you for watching. May you have a peaceful Sunday with your family and friends. May your day be blessed. Stay blessed. Look after yourselves and each other, and I'll see you on my next walking journey. Take care. Peace.